Chem equations answered explained by your favorite teacher. So starting off with equation number 1. How much heat is released by burning 27.5 grams of CH4? And so by this we know that we have to find the amount of heat that is released. And we are also given the delta H that is equal to negative 890.4 kilojoules. This delta H basically represents the amount of heat that is released in the chemical reaction. This is the chemical formula that is translated from the problem. And so now we solve the solving process. 27.5 grams of CH4 multiplied by the mole conversion factor of 1 mole CH4 over 31.2 grams of CH4. And as you can see, the grams of CH4 cancels out from the numerator and the denominator. And so the final answer is 0.881 moles of CH4. And now we take this 0.881 moles of CH4 and we multiply it by the mole conversion factor. However, before that, we need to notify that 1 mole of CH4 makes negative 890.4 kilojoules of heat. So now we take the 0.881 moles of CH4 and we multiply it by the mole conversion factor of negative 890.4 kilojoules over 1 mole of CH4. And as you can see, the units of mole CH4 and in the numerator and the denominator cancel out. So the answer is 784 kilojoules. And the answer is not negative because although this reaction is an exothermic reaction, we're finding the amount of heat that is released, so it has to be a positive number. And that is our final answer. Next equation was number 4. How many grams of H2 do you need to get negative 118 kilojoules? So we also have the delta H here, which is negative 92.6 kilojoules. This is the chemical formula, and this is the big picture we have in our mind. So from kilojoules, we convert it to moles to grams. And we also think here that 3 moles of H2 makes negative 92.6 kilojoules of heat. So negative 118 kilojoules is already given in the equation, so we take that and we multiply it by the conversion factor of 3 moles of H2 over negative 92.6 kilojoules. And that is equal to 3.82 moles of H2. And now we take this times the mole conversion factor of 2.0 grams over 1 mole of H2, and we get 7.64 grams of H2, and that is our final answer.